Supercharged Jaguar Land Rover. Today we are presenting a Jaguar F-TYPE 3 litre V6, 380 brake horsepower. Absolutely stunning vehicles. This particular model here is finished in white. Being the R-Dynamic, will have various R-Dynamic badges on the vehicle to state as such. Double exhaust at the back. And inside we have a dark interior finish. Classic Jaguar detailing. This particular vehicle also has memory seats, which is fantastic if you have multiple drivers of the same vehicle. So you can set it your driving position and save it as number 1, and then when you get in the car and press number 1, the seats will go exactly back to where they were before. Really good feature. So there are buttons there for lowering and raising the spoiler, and a sports exhaust button to kick up the sound that the F-TYPE makes. If you'd like to inquire on this vehicle or you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to call us on 01872 263377. We're happy to help you out any way we can.